How's it going, everybody? How are you getting on? My name is Kieran, and it's nice to see you back here. I'm going to just say it's a continuation of this stream I did yesterday, because it was so little time. What's going on here? Bye, good night. Is your guitar smaller than usual? My guitar is smaller than usual. Yeah, it's smaller than usual. It's a mini Maiden, or a Maiden Mini. You'll see it there. That's the size of it, and you can see it compared to this Loudon here. So there's the Loudon. There's can you see them? That's the difference in the size. So that one's the Loudon is a small body guitar, and this one is the parlour size guitar, and it's just a mini one. I like it a lot. So how's everyone doing? Who was that anyway? Steam Palms, how are you getting on? And Catherine Bryant, Maria, how are you getting on? The sunny beaches of Stockholm. All right. It's not sunshine in there now anyway. It's probably 9:30 over there. Apparently it's ladies' night, is it? Okay, see you all tomorrow. Is this? That's cool. The chat for me is up from last night on Twitch. How are you getting on? Carly, how are you getting on? What's the story? Nice to see you again. Paul O'Brien, my notifications are now on. Good man, Paul. I know you can miss them. Not the first one who's missed one of the streams, but not missing much. I didn't even see much yesterday. Jack Whitefoot, how you got on, pal? What's the story? Renata, how are you? It's a toy guitar. It's very close to one, really close to one. Sometimes it doesn't behave itself, and it's almost like playing a toy. I think with stringed instruments and stuff like that, guitars especially, the smaller it is, kind of harder it is to kind of manage, I think, sometimes. I feel like I'm in a snow globe today with the storm we have. Is it crazy over there, the snow you have? You get lost underneath the snow, as the song says. And Sarah Locklear, how are you getting on? What's the story? And Christina is in there as well. What's the story, Christina, from Austria? So I had a couple of requests. I have a couple of requests that came in there via DM. But what was I supposed to do yesterday that I didn't get to? And I will gladly try it there tonight. Right, I'll do a song anyway, and then we can figure out if the sound is okay. We reveal nothing. You guys fuckers. Now, let me see. Fair city, where the girls are so pretty. I first set me eyes on sweet and Molly alone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow. The streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels. Alive, alive, oh. Now she
was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, as they each wheeled their barrow to the streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Now she died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now her ghost wheels her barrow through the streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. In a neat little town they call Belfast, apprentice to trade I was bound, and many sweet hours of happiness was spent in that sweet little town, till a sad misfortune came over me, and it led me to stray from the land, far away from me friends and relations, to follow the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, well, you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. As I went walking down Broadway, not intending to stay very long, well, I met with a frolicsome damsel as she came skipping along. A watch she took from her snocket, as she slipped it right into me hand. From the very first day that I met that girl, by the look to her black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Judge and jury next morning, now the both of us had to appear, and the gentleman, he claimed the jewellery, and the case against us was clear. 7 long years penal servitude, right on down the Van Diemen's land, far away from me friends and relations, to follow the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, now you thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with the gambler, we were both too tired to speak, so we took the turns of staring out the window to the darkness. The boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a living out of reading people's faces, not knowing what the cards were, the way they held their eyes. So you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces, a taste of your whiskey. I give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette, and he asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet. His face lost all expression, said, you gotta play the game, boy. You gotta play it right. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. You need time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Now every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser. The best that you could hope for to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back towards the window, crushed out his cigarette, he faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even, but in his silent words, I found an ace that I could keep. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. You gotta know when to hold him, when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. There be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Thanks very much, guys. I said I'd shock my vocals into waking up there, and I shocked me even more because I forgot again I'm on a guitar that's up an extra key than usual. So instead of G sharp, I'm up in A, and I would never do those other songs that I just did there in A. Oh Jesus! All right. Anyway, and I got a couple of did a couple of wake uppy songs, and then I did a request there for Paul O'Brien. That was the gambler for him there as well. So where am I at here now? Hope the Black Flip Band, lovely stuff. Thanks for the request, Paul, and I might try another one for you, maybe. I don't know. Thanks very much, Renata. And Mossy Power is in there. How are you getting on, pal? Fantastic musician there, pal. How are you getting on? It's great over the lockdown. You get to see loads of musicians and hear them and discover them and all that kind of stuff. Show us the socks. What do I even have on now today? Oh, I'm going to get in trouble for this now. I have Christmas socks on, actually. The first ones that my hand landed on. Let me see if I can get my leg up that far. Can you see them bad boys? Maybe you can't. And the reindeer. Reindeer. Sorry. Let me go back here a little bit. Let's see. Let's see, where am I? Okay. Sorry. A lot of chatting going on here on old Twitch. Jesus, I have to dig into this now. What is going on?
Bang on the Ear. She moved through the fair. All right, I might just try them and try them. No, I'll see. No, I didn't try Bang on the Ear last time. I don't think I did I? Well, I have the lyrics, but I'll try and see if I can figure out the chords. I'm at work, earplugs all good. Paddy's at work. Let me see. When I'm chatting here, turn on that reverb. Okay, so feeling offended I wasn't mentioned. Sarah Eichhoff. No, there you are, Sarah Eichhoff. I see you. And Paddy there as well. Let me see. Cold nose, warm heart, toasted feet. Sounding both video and sound are great tonight. Flawless tonight. Deadly. You even have a healthy glow. Oh, that's right, yeah. I do. Is that why I saw jaundice there, no? Yellow fever. I put a setting on the video there. So let's see if I'll look at it back later on and see does it look okay. But I'll take your word for it. If you're happy, I'm happy. Ain't nothing wrong with Trish. I don't know what's going on there. Killing tonight. Thanks very much. So glad we tuned in. Milo, is he on Facebook tonight playing away? He's got millions and millions of followers. I have 12 here. Better than what I started off with. I did my first 2 streams, I think, to nobody. So I greatly appreciate it there. And sure, you can always have 2 gigs out at once. I've often done it. Have Milo on one thing and myself on the other. Was singing along with it. Sorry, I just need to go through this. You gotta know it all. Loving the harmony and the bass notes and stuff. Any Radiohead? Not at the moment, not yet, but I do have a couple of Radiohead songs I want to learn. Play Bad Boys by Inner Circle. I don't do Bad Boys. Is that the Bad Boys? Bad Boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Class song. Heard that first on Atlantic 252. Long Wave Radio, Atlantic 252. That's the first time I heard that song. Okay, alright. Nice one. Okay, thanks very much, guys. And you need a second camera to shoot your socks. If you look back at one of my first streams, I had a camera down at my feet. Who said that? Carly, yeah. I think one of my first streams, I might have had a camera down at my feet there. But right now, the setup I have with the computer, it's the computer doesn't really take in like loads of videos into it. If I can send in like 3 videos into it there, but it won't be able to handle it. It'll have a conniption. So I'll be getting some equipment there soon that'll have a few cameras going on it. A bit of mumbling into the mic there, for sure, Paul. That was on purpose for you anyway. Maybe some try no song there for Niggins Wake, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, okay. And Christina is there as well. Oh, woohoo! Right. So what did I say I was going to do? If you tip the sock camera, will be turned on. Oh God. Yeah. All right. So what did I say I would do? I was going to do Bang on the Ear and She Moved Through the Fair. What key did She Moved Through the Fair in the last time? I don't know. See, I got the lyrics here, Paddy. What key would I do? I'll start it off and see how far I get with it. How would you feel about that? What do you think? Sometimes I can figure it out by the time I get to the end of it. I want to turn down something over here. I don't know what it is. 1, 2, check. Oh, wait, 1, 2, check. 1, 2, check. Okay. Bang on the Ear. So. I don't know who wrote this one. Is it Luca Bloom? No? And apologies, Paddy, if I murder this because I want to murder it. And guys, thanks for turning in there as well. Keep the requests coming in, and if I know what I'll do with them.
I would have loved to take her out, but I was too shy to ask. The fullness of my feeling was never made clear, but I sent her all my love with a bang on the ear. Nora was my girl when I was in the group. I can still see her to this day, stirring chicken soup. Now she's living in Australia, working for an auctioneer. But I send her all my love with a bang on the ear. And Deborah broke my heart, and I was the willing fool. And I fell for her one summer on the road to Liverpool. I thought it was forever, it was over a year. Oh dear. But I'm sending her my love with a bang on the ear. The home I made with Bella became a house of pain. We weathered it together, bound by bait and chain. We started up in fight and ended up in tears. Oh dear. But I'm sending her my love with a bang on the ear. Krista was a rover from Canada, she hailed. Oh yeah, Canada, yeah. We crossed swords in San Francisco, we both lived to tell the tale. I don't know now where she is, or what I had her here. But I'm sending her my love with a bang on the ear. Sunny woman of the heart fire, harbour of my soul. I watch you lightly sleeping and sense the dream unfold like gold. You to me are the treasure, you to me are dear. So I'll give you all my love with a bang on the ear. So I'll give you all my love with a bang on the ear. Thank you very much. Bang on the ear. And that's for Paddy Patrick down there in New Zealand. Thank you very much. First time doing that one, but at least I've gone through it now anyway. And we'll take it from there, Paddy. What do you think? Here's She Moved Through the Fair that I have to try and do. We used to do this one back when I was 16 and 17, quite a while ago. And we used to play with my brother and friends of mine in a band, heavy metal band, and we did a kind of a heavy metal version of this. Okay, General Terrell, River C. My neighbours just knocked the door and asked me to keep it down, no more singing along. No, who said that? Maria. Is that for real? Did they actually tell you to knock on the door? Oh, sucks. I want neighbours that can hear stuff, you know. Nailed it. Really? Rude neighbours. I feel bad for my neighbours. All they hear is the drum thing going now. That drum is only in my headphones, but the tapping, it travels, you know.
The Water Boys, of course, The Water Boys. I don't know why I thought Luca Bloom. I know he does the other one that you were looking for. That's why I got mixed up. It could have come a better time. Yeah, so The Water Boys. Go for it. Thanks very much. Okay. Let's check the Twitch TOS. There was something about showing feet mentioned there. Terms of service, is that right? Yeah, okay. They get banned for showing funny socks. Okay, so guys, I saw the Feeds of Athenry come in there as well, so I haven't forgotten about that. Cyril, look here, when you said it yesterday, City of Chicago, I put it into my my lyrics here, so I'll have a run over the chords really quickly here when you're listening and see does it work. See can I get it. I never did it before, but we'll see. I think they're funny chords. Okay, so I'm going to do She Moved Through the Fair. This wasn't great the last time, and it probably won't be great this time. I need a big bass drum for this one. What do you think? Get a thicker one. Okay, that's thick. That's thick enough. Okay, do this. The phrase of this one is weird, so bear with me. Guys, if you just joined, my name is Kieran. Do we have anyone new listening? I don't think anyone new will be listening on YouTube, because I don't think there's a way to kind of browse it there and discover music, but there might be people on Twitch that might be jump in on the stream. Make them feel welcome if they do, as they always do. Okay, right. My young love said to me, well, my mother won't mind, and my father won't like you, or the luck of your kind. And she told her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. And she went away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there. And then she went onward, just one star away, like the swan in the evening moves over the lake. Last night she came to me, my dead love came in. So softly she came in, that her feet made no din, and she did lay her hand on me, and this is what she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day.
And my father won't slight you for the lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. She moved through the fair, and that was probably supposed to be sung by Celtic women kind of type people who sing it beautifully and all that kind of stuff. So that was for Katie Louise there. I was looking for that one for a while, and we'll add that one to the list there and try and work it out a little bit better. Something completely ethereal about this. Maybe wrong word. Ethereal is a cool word. Sounds like another world. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. It could be the chords there. Those chords aren't the usual chords. That's my Rage Against the Machine card. What's the name of the YouTube channel? I don't know. Kieran Finn Music. I don't know. I have a URL for it there, and I don't know what it is. Let me check here for a second. I have my own URL, but let's see if I can find a discovery. Jesus, what's going on here? Audience interactive? No, I don't know. I don't know what my something like Kieran Finn. See that? That's Bowie texting me here. I don't know what it is. Somewhere. Something in it somewhere. I could probably get on the computer there in a second, but I can't see that. I can't see that far to be clicking everything. I'll be clicking everywhere that I don't want to click. It's something like Kieran Finn Live or something like that, or that's how you'd search it and find it. But the channel is Kieran Finn Music /YouTube or something. I reckon. Okay, nice one. So I'll do Fields of Athenry. Well, I'll do the speedy one. This one, Carly was looking for this one here. And see some Welsh coming in there. Noswaith Dada. Okay, and that was epic. Thanks very much. It is Kieran. Cool, okay. Nice one. Just share this to Facebook. Fair play. I was kind of giving up Facebook, but I was considering sharing it to Facebook instead of streaming to Facebook. So thanks very much. Who shared it there? Thanks, Patty. So this is Fields of Athenry. By the lonely prison wall, I heard a young girl calling. Michael, they have taken you away, for you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young might see the morn. Now the prison ship lies waiting, 'Down in the bay. Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Yet so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By the lonely prison wall I heard a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the famine and the crown you rebelled, they dragged you down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By the lonely harbour wall she watched the last star falling. As the prison ship sailed out against the sky, sure she'll live and hope and pray for her love in Bonny Bay. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Go lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Thanks very much. The fields of Athenry, city of Chicago. Okay. Well, I don't know. Let me see. Sarah was looking for that one here, so I put in the lyrics after you said it yesterday. I put it in here. It's the third one down. What would I even start with? Actually just get the actual chords, can I? Let me just check here and just see how awkward they are. Good song, this one actually. And you get the chords, don't they? Might not be in the same tuning and stuff. But let me just see here and.
do you think? What do you reckon? Let me just a format where they are. Just on these on the cards websites. There's always like a million pictures in between them. Look at this. Yeah. Okay, I'll try it for you and see. There's so much. I'm going to copy it into my notes here, and then I'll see does it kind of compile it a bit there, because the writing is tiny. The space between the writing, it doesn't even fit a full verse on the screen here. And I am a blind ba. Oh, that's better. Right, I'm going to try it here for you. Because I said I'd try everything for everyone. Siri was looking for this one. And Hills of Donegal. I'll do that one for you, Ryan. I'll do that one for you. Lanigan's YouTube channel. Lord God. Okay, right. So sorry there for taking so long. I know it's boring as flip, but I'm just trying to do songs for people here, and they're looking for them. I feel bad not doing them. In the city of Chicago, as the evening shadows fall, the hills of Donegal. 1847 was the year it all began. Deadly pains of hunger drove 1 million from the land. They journeyed for the glory, their motive wasn't greed. A voyage survival across the stormy sea. City of Chicago, as the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming of the hills of Donegal. Some of them knew pure fortune, some of them knew fame, more of them knew hardship and died upon the plain. Spread throughout the nation, you read the railroad cars, brought the songs to music, raised their lonely hearts. In the city of Chicago, as the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming of the hills of Donegal. On the hills of Donegal. In the city of Chicago, and the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming of the hills of Donegal. In the city of Chicago,
of the hills of Donegal.
All right, Sarah, there was an attempt there at that one there. I can't see when the writing's too small, and it's only fitting 1, 2, 3. It's only fitting 4 fucking lines on my phone. like 4 words per line, and then there's a big gap in them there. So I couldn't keep it going there. I need the auto scroll thing, but iPhone don't have such a far-fetched feature. But that will I'll put that one on the list there to keep at it. So I'll do the Hills of Donegal here, as was mentioned in that song, and then we'll keep the other requests coming there. Otherwise, I have some other songs I want to do for you as well. So Hills of Donegal, okay.
Talk about Atlantis, how it's lost big to sea. And the grieving the old soldier, and the cry of the old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask? Jack the Ripper set free. But last of all, where's Donegal? It's still a mystery. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal, and north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. See those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Late night pubs, all night clubs, blackjack and roulette. Neil Rainey, Bridget Nielsen, Mike Tyson having a bet. And in a show that could be known for its filthy millionaires. And Donald Trump would like a chunk to live in solitaire. If I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Of Donegal. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south to keep them out. By God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Okay, I'm gonna do another one I haven't done in a while. Slow one, and then I'm gonna do a little medley, a U2 medley for right on after that. Is used to like used to. So this one is another one. I'm trying to get away from the lyrics, so I'm gonna
try and do them without the lyrics here. See if I can trust myself with it. So nobody's going to mind if I pick up this one after I'm murdering the other one. So this one is Streets of New York. I need an e-board like we have in the classroom. Is that right? An e-board. Oh, whatever I need anyway. I need something that like can scroll, or like I can, you know, the ones that you can use a foot pedal. To get one of those things, they're expensive though. You can control the iPads have them there. Who have them? The people in orchestras, you know, the orchestra people have them. They have them there for reading notes and stuff off iPads. They can hit the foot pedal and it switches the page back and forth. So one of them be cool, you know. But I just need something to flip and scroll. That's all. You could write words down on scraps of paper and then scuffle through. There's another Irish singer that does that every week. Yeah, he does this. Yeah, I said scuffle, shuffle through them. Yeah, he actually got that from me, Paul. I used to have. And I only threw away. I found loads and loads of them, like about 150, 200 little pieces of paper, gaffer tape on the back with Velcro, and I made a little thing that would come out on my phone, because I didn't want to bring my iPhone around, you know, to the bars and stuff there, and I just popped a piece of paper for the new song on and read it away off it, and nobody was none the wiser, but I just got sick of carrying it around, and people wanted to hear a song that I never did before. I'd have to get my phone anyway, so I just transferred everything over to the phone, and that's it. Bob's your Nancy. Okay. So this one is a song called Streets of New York. I was 18 years old when I went down to Dublin with a fistful of money and a cartload of dreams. Take me time, said me father, stop rushing like hell, and remembers all not what it seems to be. For those fellas would cut you for the coat on your back, or the watch that you got from your mother. Take care, young bucko, and mind yourself well. Will you give this wee note to me brother? At the time Uncle Benji was a policeman in Brooklyn. My father, the youngest, he looked after the farm. On a phone call from America said send the lad over. Sure, the old fella said couldn't do any harm. Spend me life working this dirty old ground for a few pints of porter and a smell of a pound. And sure, maybe there's something you'll learn, or you'll see you can bring it back home. Make it easy on me. So I landed in Kennedy, and a big yellow taxi carried me and me bags through the streets and the rain. Well, me poor heart was thumping around with excitement, and I hardly even heard what the driver was saying. We came in the Shore Parkway through the flatlands of Brooklyn to my uncle's apartment on East 53rd. I was feeling so happy, I was humming a song, and I sang You're Sweet as a Bird. To shorten the story, but I found out the day poor old Benji got shot down in an uptown foray. And as I was flying me way to New York, poor old Benji was lying in a cold city morgue. So I phoned up the old fella and told him the news. I could tell he could hardly stand up in his shoes, and he wept as he said, go ahead, it's a plan, boy, and not to
forget to be a proud Irishman. So I went up to Nelly's side Burren Road, and I started to learn about lifting the load. Now the heaviest thing that I carried that year, but the bittersweet thoughts of my hometown so dear. I went home that December, cause the old fella died. To borrow the money from Phil on the side, and all the bright flowers and brass couldn't hide the poor wasted face of me father. I sold up the old farmyard for what it was worth, and into me bag stuck a handful of earth. Then I boarded a train and I caught me a plane, and I found myself back in the US again. It's been 22 years since I set foot in Dublin. Me kids know to use the correct knife and fork. Well, I never forget the green grass and the rivers as I keep law and order on the streets of New York. La da 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 Thank you very much. Streets of New York, they're one of my favourite Irish songs, I have to admit it. And okay, nice one. So I'm gonna try a U2 Motley. I haven't done the first one. I've done the first one. First one, I've only done it once or twice as some solo gigs, and the second one I haven't done in a long time. Might have done it once or twice in this lockdown. No, I haven't actually. Shit. Right, let's see how we get on. I think the old here. Oops. I can't wear those glasses there. It's driving me mad. Good stuff. What's going on? Orange. I'll do a hard time for you. What is going on here? The right color. Irish technology at its finest. Paper and Velcro. There you go. Paper, Velcro, gaffer tape. Song for Ireland. I'll try that one for you, Sarah. I can try that one for you. Remind me there again if I forget, but I'll try that one for you. How do you do it? How do you do what? Katie, what are you talking about, you write colour and the name of the colour or any hex value of your choice. Oh, I think you could be talking about a Twitch thing, is it? Oh, that's what you're doing. I got it, alright, okay. And let's see over here on the YouTube how you getting on. There's an overhead projector that projects things on a board. Oh, I get you. Right, okay. Alright. I still like the little bits of paper, but that's okay. Harmonica thing. Discarded or threw it away. Okay, I'm gonna try these ones here. See where they go. Lads, thanks very much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed the music on Saturday with myself and Bowie, and I hope you liked the music yesterday as well. It's still only 9:30, so I'm alright for a bit. There's no bother. Don't really have a curfew. It's not Prosecco night tonight. Although if I had a Prosecco, every night would be Prosecco.
doing that now. Okay, so this is some U2 songs, and I haven't done this. I've done this one a few times at a solo gig, but let's see how far I get with it. And I'm not gonna wear the glasses because they drive me mad. Which one up? Something. Let's try that and see. That's all right. I'll deal with that one. I'll settle for that. Well, you say you want diamonds and a ring of gold. You say you want your story to remain untold, but all the promises we made, from the cradle to the grave, went on, and I want is you. Well, you say you'll give me a highway with no one on it, a treasure just to look upon it, all the riches in the night. Well, you say you'll give me eyes in the moon of blindness, a river in the time of dryness, a harbor in the tempest, but all the promises we make, from the cradle to the grave, went on, and I want is you. Well, you say you want your love to work out right, to last with you through the night. You say you want diamonds and a ring of gold, your story to remain untold, your love not to grow old, but all the promises we break, from the cradle to the grave, went on, and I want is you. Went on,
is you. Well, I've climbed the highest mountain, I have run through the fields, yeah, only to be with you. Yeah, only to be with you. I have run, I have crawled, I have scaled these city walls, these city walls. Yeah, only to be with you. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Well, I've kissed honey lips, felt the healing in her fingertips, would burn like fire. It's burning desire. I have spoken with the tongue of the angels. I have held the hand of the devil that was warm in the night. I was cold as a stone. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Well, I believe in the kingdom come, when all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one. Yes, I'm still running. He broke the bonds, he loosed the chains, and carried the cross of my shame, broke my shame. No, I believed it, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Some of you too there still ain't found looking for. And the first one there was I want to you, something like that. I forget what it's called. It's got a name though. Nice stuff, guys. Thank you very much for listening. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're having a good Monday is today. And let me see. What else? Oh, Hard Times was requested. Was that right? Hard Times, and there was something else there as well. What else did I miss? I think there was something else we were going to try there as well. It was on Twitch, wasn't it? Let me
see here. I hate Twitch now. Everyone's trying to do their colours now. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so apparently there's commands and stuff you can type into the to come into the thingy-majiggy. Hard times, okay. I see it there. And there was something else there that I had to try. I'll do hard times here for you. Big mug of tea. Let us pause in life's pleasures and count its many tears, while we all sob sorrow with the poor. There's a song that will linger forever in our ears. Oh, hard times come again no more. While we seek mirth and beauty and music light and gay, there are frail forms fainting at the door. Though their voices are silent, their pleading hearts will say, oh, hard times come again no more. 'Tis a song, the sigh of the weary. Hard times come again no more. Many days you have lingered around my cabin door. Oh, hard times come again no more. Oh, hard times come again no. There's a pale drooping maiden who toils her life away with a worn out heart, whose better days are gone. Though her voice would be merry, she's sighing all the day. thanks very much. That was for Sarah, I think there. Sarah Eichhoff was looking for that one, I think I recall. Where's my snapple? Good stuff, keep the requests coming in there, and I'll chant something there if you want, otherwise I'll keep going with my stuff. But we're all friends here, we don't mind if we mess up a few bits and pieces, it's alright, do we? We don't mind. No, we don't. Let me see what else was here. What else came in there? How about Leaving Nancy? What's Fatty? What's that one? What's the Leaving Nancy one? Do we know that one? Odelia. How are you, Odelia? Long time no chat. How are you getting on? Odelia's over here on Twitch. How are you? I didn't see your came in there, but how are you? I hope you're still listening. I missed it here amongst all the colour changing and stuff there. All right, nice one. And let me see. I'll go back here. I think I had a couple of songs picked out here. Renata's gone. You heading away, Renata? No problem, Christina. Marcel is just in here. Are you Marcel up, man? Watch the crack. Okay. Excuse me. I have an old frog in the throat there. Let me see. I was going to try something else here as well. Where's... I was going to try... I was going to try another one here for Paul O'Brien and try and get them sorted for him, because I know he's waiting for him for a long time. So let me just see here, Paul, if I can get what's it called, Finnegan's Wake here. I chance it a little bit there. I know the last thing was terrible, but sure, we don't mind giving it a bash again, do we? There we go. Okay. Yeah. Try this one here anyway. This is for Paul O'Brien. Paul, I didn't practice this, so this isn't. It's not. It's not. This is not a surprise. I learned it for you. It's not one of them. I didn't learn it. I'm just going to go over it again, and then because that's the only way to do it. It's a funny Fury Brothers song. I don't know it. Leaving Nancy. I think I might have heard of it. I could be getting mixed up with. Pleasant and Delightful, Leaving Nancy is mentioned in that. Yeah, put your requests in caps if you can, and I might see it better. Oh, I'll try this one. Tim Finnegan lived in Walking Street, a gentle Irishman, mighty odd. He had a beautiful brogue, so rich and sweet, and the rise in the world he carried his hod. You'd see he had a sort of tipping way. The love that liquor brewed Tim was born, and to help him on his work each day, he'd the drop of the glitter every morn. Back full of doll now, dance with your partner, walk the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. One morn Tim was rather full, his head felt heavy, which made him shake. He fell from the ladder, he broke his skull, and he carried him off his corpse to wake. They rolled him up in a nice clean sheet, and they laid him out upon the bed. But they got enough whiskey at his feet and a barrel of porter at his head. Back full of doll now, dance to your partner around the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Well, his friends assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch. First he brought in tea and cake, then pipes, tobacco and whiskey punch. Biddy O'Brien began to cry,
such a nice clean corpse did you ever see? Tim Mavourney, why did you die? How'd your gob, said Paddy McGee. What for the doll now, dance your partner round the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Well then, Maggie O'Connor took up the job. Oh, Biddy, she says, you're wrong, I'm sure. Biddy gave her a belt and a gob and left her sprawling on the floor. Then the war it did soon to gauge. It was woman to woman and man to man. Shillelagh love was all the rage, and a row and eruption soon began. What for the long now, dance your partner round the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Well then, Mickey Maloney raised his head, when a bucket of whiskey flew at him. It missed and fallen on the bed, the liquor scattered over Tim. Tim revives, see how he rises. Tim, he rises from the bed. Said, whirl your whiskey around like blazes, thundering and jades, you think I'm dead? What for the doll now, dance your partner around the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. What for the doll now, dance your partner around the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. How's your own one game ball? All right, Finnegan's wake there for Paul, and Paul has one more coming on the list. Not tonight, though. Not tonight. It's it's coming up. Nancy Whiskey. Nancy Whiskey. Nancy Whiskey. Whiskey. Nancy. Nancy Whiskey. Nancy. Oh. I'll get the words for that one, Paul, but I don't think I'd know which way it would go, to be honest. There. But I hope you enjoyed a bit of Finnegan's there, and I'll keep doing that one for you until I can do it properly. What was the other one I had to do? What did I miss out on some stuff there from Saturday? Is anyone in there that we missed out on some stuff? Otherwise, I'm just looking through some stuff here and I can just bait right into them. I'll do this one here for you while you're having an old think. This is cool. This one's a song called John O'Reilly. It's an American song, but it's a cool song. I sing it about a lad who goes beating up people in an Irish fella from Killarney goes beating up people in New York. And it's a country song over here. Mike Denver did it. Couldn't have come at a better time. I have to go over that one there because it's crazy. With the tune in it, more Shillelagh songs. What are Shillelagh songs? Oh, songs with Shillelagh in it. Okay, I'll try this one. Well, my name is John O'Reilly, and my father worked the fields in the hills of Old Killarney. Well, I heard them turn the wheels, my arms grew hard as iron, for a boy of 17, and I used my fists of gambling on those wet Killarney streets. Well, the ship left for America, and I took me back on board, said goodbye to my dear Ireland, said a prayer to my dear Lord. Well, I fought those sorry guineas in the kitchen they called hell, and I fought them for their dollars, and those guineas paid me well. Fare thee well, fare over, fare thee well, your season's turn. My pockets will be jingling on a day of my return, on a day of my return. Well, I fought in New York City, and I fought the Jersey shores. My guts stayed full of whiskey, the same, and I left them all a lying half in blood and half in shame. Well, I met the man on 32, and he stuck out his hand, and he offered me 1,000 if I fell before his man. Well, I said it could be done, but only for another 2, and I smiled at him and nodded as I stuck it in me shoe. Fare thee well, Rover, fare thee well, my season's turn. My pockets will be jingling on the day of my return, on the day of my return. Well, he rang the bell 2 times before I let him have me nose, and I let him work me left until my eye was swollen closed, and I burst him with a right that they still talk about today, for that giddy never knew that I had bet the other way. Round he covered every port and every dock there on the coast, looking for a double-crosser who had turned into a ghost. But I was on a train, my friend, and it rode the other way, and it sailed from California back to Dublin one fine day. Fare thee well, fared over, fare thee well, my season's turn. My pockets will be jingling on a day of my return, on a day of my return. Fare thee well, fared over, fare thee well, my season's turn. My pockets will be jingling on a day of my return, on a day of my return. Yeah, a song they're called John O'Reilly. What else did I want to try here? I'll try this one here. Bowie was going to try this one of the days. Monto. Have you heard of that one? Monto. Let's try it. What do you think of that, mate? Anyone know that song, Monto? I really like it. I'm going to try it. Try it for the crack, right? See how far we get with it. What do you think? Are we in a trying mood? I'm going to put Nancy Whiskey Paul on the old list here. See, you have it now. Sounds like you've been singing it since your teens. Thanks. Paula, I will get it for you. I'll do it if you ever leave this world alive for you. I will do that one for you. And tell John O'Reilly to grab a shovel and come shovel for me. Lots of snow. Any old pictures there? Can you put up pictures on Twitch? I'd love to see the pictures of the snow. Throw them up there online and we'll have a look. Okay, some of you have settled on the colours. Hand me down my Bible. That's on the list there as well. I'll do that one for you, Katie, as well. I know Paddy likes that one. So I'll do that one. I'll do hand me down my Bible. I'll try Monto here. And I never did Monto before, and if I ever leave this world alive. So let's see how far I get. What key is this? Okay, I'll try this one. Well, if you got a wingo, take her up the Ringo, where the waxy sing all the day. If you've had your porter, you can't go any further. Give your man the order back to the quay and take her up the Monto, Monto, Monto. Take her up the Monto, Langaroo. To you, the dirty Duke of Duster, the dirty old imposter, took his muster nuster up the furry glen. He first put on his bowler and buttoned up his trousers. He's whistled for the growler. He said, my man, take me up the Monto, Monto, Monto. Take me up the Monto, Langaroo. To you, you see the Dublin Fusiliers, the dirty old bamboozlers. They went and took the children, 1, 2, 3, and marching from the linen holders on the nervy cannonball. Tickets at the send you all oversea. But first go up the Monto, Monto, Monto. First go up the Monto, Langaroo. But first go up the Monto, Monto, Monto. First go up the Monto, Langaroo. To you. Now when the Tsar of Russia and the King of Prussia landed in the Phoenix Park in a big balloon, they asked the police band to play the wearing of the green. The buggers in the web who didn't know that tune
13 stone. Come here to me, Lord Mayor, so see if you got anything to show for me. We know Rome, there's more to see. Walk my home, take me up the Monto, Monto, Monto. He took her up the Monto, Langaroo. He took her up the Monto, Monto, Monto. He took her up the Monto, Langaroo. To you, good night to you. All right, bit of Monto there. Not too bad. Go over that a few times. You'll be all right. Right, let's do something I know. Let's do If I Ever Leave This World Alive, and then I'll come back to the stuff that I don't know. Listen, Varna, I have no hope of getting that one. Half no hope. I could do the old chorus, sticking in the old chorus there somewhere, like we used to do back in the day. Banging, hand me down my Bible as well. Okay, I'll do this one here first. How's two prophets are in, lads? How are you getting on? Is that Kev?
Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I thank you for the things you did in my life. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, I come back down and sit beside your feet tonight. Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. If I ever leave this world alive, if I ever leave this world alive, I've taken all the sadness that I left behind. Well, if I ever leave this world alive, all the madness that you feel will soon subside. So in a word, don't shed a tear. I'll be here when it all gets weird. Well, if I ever leave this world alive. So when in doubt, just call my name just before you go insane. Well, if I ever leave this world, hey, I may never leave this world, but if I ever leave this world alive, she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. It said that it would, now everything should be alright. Oh, now she said, well, I'm okay, I'm alright, though you have gone from my life. You said that it would, now everything should be alright. Yeah, it should be
Thanks very much. If I ever leave this world alive, Paul was looking for that one there. Lovely song there from a band called Flogging Molly, based over in California. Okay, I'll do. What is I going to do? Hand me down me Bible. And High Street Prophets. That's good stuff, Kev. Fantastic band there, lads. You probably know the High Street Prophets there, and a sound bunch of fellas. And class as well, loads of stuff on Instagram. That's me for some day. What you playing? It's a mini mating, and there's a cool story behind this. Not cool for anyone else, but cool for me. I'm going to tell you, because I like talking about it. Musicians love talking about the guitars. If there's any bit of a story on them at all. So this is it's a mini mating, right? They're a small guitar. Not coming through. So it's a small guitar. But see this thing here? See that cut away? You can't get them with that. You can't buy them with that. So it basically looks like that in the bottom. And I emailed. I wanted a cutaway because the tuning I play. I'm up there. Just with that guy, it's just one of the drawbacks. You kind of use the capo and you kind of have to be up high in here. And people who play lead guitarists will be up there. I have no business being up there, but lead guitarists will be up there doing cool shit. So anyway, they didn't make them, so I bought it like this and I had a thing like that on the bottom, and and I emailed mate and I asked them would they have a version with a cutaway, or could they make a special version so for me, and they said no, because I'm nobody. So they said no, so I said okay, that's grand, no bother, thanks very much, that's grand. I had the guitar anyway, and I wanted another one with the cutaway. So I took it off to a fella called Derek Nelson out in Marley Park, and he has serviced the likes of like the guitars for U2, you know, The Edge and all that kind of stuff, and many others. He makes instruments and basses and acoustics and electrics, and he put a cutaway into it. So he chopped the guitar up at the corner here, and he put in a cutaway. So he made it from this curve to that curve, and he did a fantastic job of it. He's an absolute legend. So if you're in Dublin and looking for someone to service your guitar, there's a couple of great lads. Frank Tate's brilliant as well. Yeah, Derek Nelson does really crazy stuff, and he didn't even ask me why I wanted a cutaway. He just said, "No bother, if that's what you want, that's what you'll get." Australian made. That's correct. They're Australian made, and they've got a brilliant pick. I have another mate in there, but it's not very good. Acoustically, it's terrible. This one, the smaller one, is even better than it. And this is just not very good acoustic, but they're nice. They feel good to play, and they stay. The other bigger one stays in tune for me a lot, so it's great for gigging. This one's a bit more awkward for tuning because it's tuned down and it's a smaller guitar, smaller neck, so it has its whole other issues. But it's yeah, they're deadly pickups and stuff there. So anyway, that's a little story about the mini mating, and I gigged it for years. There's loads of pictures of me there playing it in town, and it's really handy, tidy size. Right, enough talking, because I'd say 90% of people don't give a crap about it. Try hand me down my Bible here, and I did this last time. I don't think I did a good job. See.
Come on, people, let your life begin. Let it in, let it in. Oh, glory, oh, now I'm the Lord's disciple. Oh, glory, oh, hand me down my Bible.
I've got no more verses for some reason. Thought there is.
I like my living hard. The Lord save my soul. My salvation is the turn of a card. My heart's black as coal. But everybody has the right to go wrong. Everybody has to sing my song. Everybody has the right to go wrong. Sing my song, sing my song. Oh, glory, oh, now I'm the Lord's disciple. Oh, glory, oh, hand me down my oh, glory, oh, I'm the Lord's disciple. Oh, glory, oh, hand me down the Bible.
I don't know why I only have two verses. I think there's more verses, isn't there? Yeah, I think there's more verses. Okay. Now, keep the requests coming in, lads and lassies. And otherwise, I'll keep going with my own stuff. Oh, that was the one. Song for Ireland wasn't that? That was one that came, wasn't it? There. He didn't, and I just saw it there. Sarah Eichhoff. Okay, I don't do this one, Sarah, but I have it up here in front of me, so I'll try it for you. I know it's a hard one to do. Zach Moore, good to see you playing the Maiden, pal. Oh, thanks, Zach. Good man, yeah. It's nice to change it up, you know. It's nice to change things up. And a friend of mine, Paratune Matthias, he streams on Twitch, and it was actually, I inspired him to, he was over in Dublin there, and he saw me playing the Maiden, and he went up and bought the same one in Guitar Center, and it's crazy. He's doing streams now on Twitch, and he's fucking brilliant. But the sound off the guitar he has is fantastic, and I think he just has a mix of the microphone, the same as myself, and the pickup, and it sounds class. So I said, like, I'll pull out the baby mate, and I've been pulling it out there like quite a lot lately to play it, and but I keep having to pack it away because there's no space with all the guitar. So yeah, it's cool. So I'm being raided by Panzersaurus. All right, did I just get raided? That's what happens when you turn around. Get raided in the Schnibschnab. Right, we'll try this one here. For Sarah Eichhoff, what song for Ireland? I'll try it here for you anyway. Let's see the key was like there.
Walking all the day near tall towers where falcons build their nest. Silver wing they fly, they know the call of freedom in their breast. saw black head against the sky, with twisted rocks that run down to the sea. Living on your western shore, soft summer sunsets asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic sea, and I sang a song for Ireland, talking all the day with true friends who try to make you stay, telling jokes and news, singing songs to pass the night away. Watched the Galway salmon run like silver dancing, darting in the sun. Living on your western shore, soft summer sunset asked for more. Stood by your Atlantic sea and sang a song for Ireland, drinking all the day in old pubs where fiddlers love to play. Someone touched the bow, he played a reel that seemed so fine and gay. Stood on Dingle Beach and cast a wild foam, we found Atlantic bass. Living on your western shore, saw summer sunsets asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic sea and I sang a song for Ireland, dreaming in the night. I saw a land where no man's had to fight. Walking in your down, I saw you crying in the morning light, lying where the falcons fly. They twist and they turn, all in your blue sky. Living on your western shore, soft summer sunset asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic sea and I sang a song for Ireland. I stood by your Atlantic sea and I sang a song for Ireland. Thank you very much. The phrasing of that is way hard to do when you're just reading it off. The stuff there. Sarah Eichhoff there, Twitch, looking for that one. Nice one. So, Key, do you have any pets? I don't have any pets. Katie, I don't have any because I don't want to keep them in a little apartment, and I had a bad experience before. The poor little dog, and I'm traumatized since. So it wasn't my fault, nothing like that. Says the guilty man. No, it wasn't my fault. It was just an unfortunate thing that happened. But I don't have any pets. So when I get into live in the countryside, I'll get a dog or bunny rabbit as she wants. Bonnie. Guten Abend, anyone else? I believe there was a raid that happened there. So from Pandasaurus, thank you very much. Games and more. How are you getting on? Nice one. Welcome to the stream and Spiegel Build Band. How are you getting on? Akina Suki, how are you? Banshee 2974, MMA Games and more. Snowcamber, Marco Marchart, Rusty Dios. How are you getting on? Yeah, you're very welcome to the stream. Pop in some requests there. I'm in a Chancio mood, and did something happen? Good.
All right. Yeah, song for Ireland is deadly. It's a lovely song. It's another Luke Kelly song that he made, and the song was deadly. Okay, so cool. So I'll have a look through a few more things here. Oh, I'll do this one. This is a bit of a bit of Denimitri. Nothing ever happens. This is a Scottish one. It's about 30 years old, this one. And a really cool fucking song. Let's see if I can... No, that's too much. Can't do that. Post office clerks put up signs saying position closed, and secretaries turn off typewriters and put on their coats, and janitors padlock the gates for security guards to patrol, and bachelors phone up their friends for a drink while the married ones turn on a chat show. And they'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. Gentlemen, time please, you know we can't serve anymore. Now the traffic lights change to stop when there's nothing to go, and by 5 o'clock everything's dead, and every third car is a cab, and ignorant people, they sleep in their beds like the doped white mice in the college lab. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. Telephone exchanges click why there's nobody there, and the Martians could land in the car park and no one would care. Closed circuit cameras in department stores shoot the same video every day, and the stars of these films neither die or get killed to survive constant action replay. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. And bill hoardings advertise products that nobody needs, while angry from Manchester writes to complain about all the repeats on TV, and computer terminals report some gains on the values of copper and tin, while American businessmen snap up Van Goghs for the price of a hospital wing. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. The needle returns to the start of the song, and we'll all sing along like before. And nothing ever happens, nothing happens at all. We'll burn down the synagogue at 6 o'clock, and we'll all go along like before. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. And we'll all be lonely tonight and lonely tomorrow. Thank you very much. That was a little bit of Denimitri. Thank you very much. Billy Reid and okay, Kelly. Who's going to tell Kelly that we sang Song for Ireland already? Is Kelly looking for it? Oh no, Katie's just telling her. Yeah, it's called Song for Ireland. Katie. Okay. The Garden of Eden by Celtic Woman, if you're feeling adventurous. I wouldn't even know what it is. Nice one. Okay. Lovely song. That's a lovely one. Kevin, you do a fantastic job with that. You're a class singer, Kev. You should try that one there, man. You probably know it anyway already. Maybe you're too young. Maybe you're too young, kid. And so what's going on here? Well, I'll try now. I'll do a quicker one here. You need a clap sound. Clap, 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 clap. All right. I'm going to do a well-known one here for some of the people who jumped in on the raid. A song called Whiskey in the Jar. So try this one for you. Counting, I first produced my pistol, then produced my rapier. I said, stand and deliver, or you weren't about to deceiver. So ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. But I took all of his money, and it made a pretty penny. I stuck it in my pocket, and I brought it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that never would she leave me. And the devil take them women, but you know they can't be easy. Whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Well, I went up Jamie Chambers for to take a slumber. I dreamt of gold and jewels, and sure it was no wonder. But Jenny drew me charges, and she filled them up with water, and she sent for Captain Farrell to get ready for me slaughter. Mush ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. 'Twas early in the morning, before I rose to travel, up came a troop of soldiers, likewise Captain Farrell. And he first produced me pistol, but she stole away me rapier, but I couldn't shoot the water. I'm a prisoner I was taken. Mush ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Now some men take delight in the carriages are rolling, and some men take delight in the hurling and the bowling. But me, I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting sexy women in the morning, bright and early. Must ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. If anyone could save me, if your brother in the army, if I could find his station in Cork or in Maltowny, and if you go with me, we'll go roaming through Kilkenny. Sure to treat me better than he down the sport and Jenny. So ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Sure ring dama doo dama da, whack for me daddy-o, whack for me daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Oh. Thank you very much. Whiskey in the jar. Gee, that was grand before I drank the tea. Okay, I'm going to do see Kelly coming in there. Raglan Road. Do the night vision song. I do Bowie's kind of singing the night vision song. I don't know. I could try it there for you, or I could try Raglan Road. I don't do Sally Gardens. Is that? I'll have to go over the chords to that one, Kelly, I think. But I'll do Raglan Road for you. Neil Schneiders it on the Schnatter. So, let me see. Oh, Whiskey in the Jar. Okay, no, that wasn't a request. You're just whiskey. Is it with an E? That's right. Whiskey's with an E. No fiddle yet. I'll do that. I'll do the Leaving of Liverpool. The Leaving of Liverpool, Pandasaurus. I'll do that one for you. It is such a wacky tune, a fast one. The Voyage. I can try the Voyage for you as well. Did I do that the last day? Was that one? I'll try that one for you. Just remind me there again if I miss it. But I'll do Raglan Road here, and then I'll do I forget what was there that came in. Leaving Liverpool. There you go. Sorry, I'm struggling here with the taking a drink. Let me get a bass drum here first. That'll do. Trouble with the parlor guitars is they're so picky with the tuning. On Raglan Road. Sorry, I go again. On Raglan Road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day rue. I saw the danger, yet I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be
be seen the worth of passion's pledge. The queen of hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay. Well, I loved too much by such and such. Is happiness thrown away? Well, I gave her gifts of the mind. I gave her a secret son that stone to artists who have known true gods of sound and stone, and word in tint without stint. I gave her poems to say, now with her own name there, and her long dark hair like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street where all ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. Now when the angel woos, oh, the clay he'll lose his wings at the dawn of the day. Now when the angel woos, oh, the clay he'll lose his wings at the dawn of the day. Thanks very much, Ragnar. Sorry about the coughing and the spluttering and that. I don't know, I've just a frog in my throat, and I can't get rid of it. You're nearly afraid to cough right now at the moment. Everyone will jump on you with fucking everything, plexiglass. That's right.
the high school prophets there, you see Kevin there just said there's the story there, Raglan Road, how it came about. It was a poem first of all, and then Patrick Cavanagh, the poet, met with Luke Kelly, the late great Luke Kelly of the Dubliners, in a pub, in the Bailey pub. I didn't know that now, in the Bailey pub just off Grafton Street in 1966, where Luke Kelly suggested adding the tune, The Dawning of the Day, to the poem. The Dawning of the Day is kind of the worst, not the worst, the first, one of the first tunes that you'd learn, like if you're learning Tin Whistle or something like that. You kind of do like a march when you're younger on the whistle, so you'd kind of learn it. I don't know, was it a march or a slow air? Not really sure, but so it was. And then I think it was, the poem was first published in a paper at some stage. Kevin, you can correct me on that. It was published first so at some stage. It could have been well before that, I'm not really sure. But anyway, that was for Kelly, Raglan Road, and I'm going to try The Voyage, and then I might start finishing up then. I will finish up. I'll do one song after The Voyage, something that I know, so I can finish on a high note. Let me see, do I have The Voyage here? Voyage. Voyage. No, oh yeah, I do have it. Okay, I'll try this one here. I think I tried it the last day, did I? So who's looking for this one here? I keep forgetting. Where's it gone? Bastards. 45 pints. Whereas there's no Guinness today. I was got hungover after the last Guinness there, so I let it off. The Guinness is only a prop, you know. I have to drink the Guinness at the pub scene. And lucky I picked the old pub scene and not something else. If I picked the beach scene, I'd be drinking cocktails and be sick of it. The Guinness is only a prop. I have to drink the Guinness. Right, how do I? Oh yeah, Katie's looking for this one here. Okay. Signed on together, we coupled our fates. We hauled up the anchor, determined not to fail. For the heart's treasure, together we set sail. With no maps to guide us, our own course. We rode out the doldrums when the winds were gale force. Sat in the patience without hope, working together, we learned how to cope. Life is an ocean, love is a boat in troubled waters that keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, it was just me and you, and now gathered round us, we have our own crew. With care to last the whole trip. Our true destinations that marked on any charts. We're navigating the
troubled waters that keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, there was just me and you. And now gathered round us, we have our own crew. Life is an ocean, and love is a boat in troubled waters that keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, there was just me and you. And now gathered round us, we have our own crew. And now gathered round us, we have our own crew. Who of a song? Too low? Can get the chords right. I'll do it on there next. Gotta. We got it. Well, it's too late now. I know it's over. So guys, I'll leave you off with one more song. Get the old requests in, and I'll do it for. Maybe hopefully it's one I know, and I can do it for you. Billy Reid. Come in. I can do Billy Reid, and then. Another Rebel song after that into there, a faster one into it. What do you think of that one? Another gem, Johnny Doohan, Limerick. Is that what wrote that one? Kevin, you seem to be a fountain of youth. You should be on here now and letting everyone know about all the songs as I'm singing them there. Because I don't have enough to say about them. Only that they're lovely songs, I suppose. Okay, so I'll do Ballad of Billy Reid, and then I'll do don't stop. I have Arthur McBride, Maria, written down here, but I don't think I'll be able to do it. Read it off the words. I'd have to go through it at least once. I have to go through it at least once before I do it, a song like that. You know, even the chords are a bit wishy-washy. You know. I'll do Ballad of Billy Reid, and I'll do a Rebel song after that. So I see how you were. Very few words they got. There's so many verses in it. 10,000. Okay, nice song, guys. I know not to cough in front of a Swede. He needs 8 hours streaming in the last 30 days and 80 followers to reach affiliate status. Who's that? Is that something general on Spiegel Bildband? I need 8 hours streaming in the last 30 days and 50 followers to reach affiliate status. Oh yeah, I don't think I'll be getting to that. 8 hours. So the Finns are probably at that. I think so. Do we have many followers? We have. Maybe we don't. And if you want to jump on there and follow the Finns on Twitch, and myself as well, actually give us a few followers. I think it's free to follow on Twitch. So let me see. Stream forever. I would. One of these days I'm going to stream for a good few hours. Looks like good crack there, and just doing it kind of more relaxed. But here's Ballad of Billy Reid, and then I'll do a Rebel song after them. The Boys of the Old Brigade, that's the one I'll do after. So guys, thanks very much. I'll do these two for you. Well, I'll sing you a song of a terrible wrong. When the flags they all stood at half-mast, of a man he lay dead, he lay riddled with lead, and he died on the streets of Belfast. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. But it happened one day on a bold IRA. They set out to fight for their land. With an old Thompson gun, they put the troops on the run. To return to their home was their plan. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to fly. He died to free Ireland. While returning them guns, Billy met with the Huns, and when the fight had begun, his position was dire and his gun wouldn't fire, so he died with an old Thompson gun. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Now although he lay dead, he lay kicked in the head by the hair. They dragged him around, but they'll still fear him yet, and they'll never forget how brave Billy Reid stood his ground. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. I can't believe you heard me. Where did you have to fly? I read a comment there and it threw me off. What did I read? Oh, it was something followers. I was reading followers and I said fly. How did you hear that? Well, if you think he was right, come join in the fight and help us free our Belfast. For the blood that he shed, and although he lay dead, in our hearts his memory will last. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free Ireland. Oh, Father, why are you so sad on this bright Easter morn, when Irishmen are proud and glad of the land where they were born? Oh, son, I see in memories few of far off distant days, when being just a lad like you, I joined the IRA. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Cromwell lads all from the dark old days gone by. Now I think of men who fought in Glen with a rifle and grenade. Only heaven keep the men who sleep from the ranks of the old brigade. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Gromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Gromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. Oh, Gromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade.
Nice one. 50 followers. All right. Is that the Finns? 50 followers, is it? Not too bad, is it? 50 fucking followers. 50 followers party. Woo woo. Let me get on some party music here. I have 50. All right. 50 followers. Jesus, that's pretty sticking sweet. How many's looking at? 20 viewers. What's the other 30 doing? Bastards. Oh, that's deadly. Class. And the Finns have 56. That's brilliant. Fair play to everyone there who's following. Thanks a million. That's deadly. Now we just have to stream 8 hours within 30 days. Is that right? Go to the green. Hiya, Kieran. It's Jafar. How are you? How are you getting on, pal? It is me. Play some of the Fox. I never get sick of this song. I'll do it for you. I'll do the last song here. So the Fox. Okay. So guys, thanks very much for listening. Thanks for the raid there as well. People who did the raid, and people who got who the raidees. I hope you enjoyed it there. Follow me there, and you'll find out when I'm going next. And if I can figure out how to return the favour with the raid, I'll do it for sure. If someone wants me to raid something, I can copy and paste into my own one if they want. If they want me to do that, that means everyone that's on this thread, that chat, my Twitch chat here, gets sent to someone else after when I finish, I think. So. So I'll do the Fox here for Jafar, who's a little bit late to the game. Jafar, you should if you're on YouTube there, hit the notification bell and the subscribe thing on my channel there, and it'll let you know when I'm going live. And I do an old nod gig on a Sunday or a Monday when I get around to it. So I'll do the Fox here. I know speedy version of the Fox. See how we get on. What should you get at? Keep requesting songs, gang. Every time he plays a song, he says last one. This is definitely the last one. I have business to attend to tonight. Sounds bad. That sounds bad. Is that my YouTube channel? I thought it was cooler looking one than that, but I guess that's it. Need more streams key for the 8 hours. Not being selfish at all. I suppose I can I can stream next Sunday. again on every Monday if I can. Just lazy, you know. You stream every Monday, that's it. You know, I wouldn't mind it. It's a grand old day. People think that's a good day for them. I didn't think that would be a good day for people, you know. Okay, I'm not too sure with the tuning, but we'll go this anyway. Guys, this is the last one. Thank you very much. Guys, that is it from yourself there, and I'll see you back here on Saturday with Bowie, not on this channel, but on the Finns channel there. Thanks very much for tuning in tonight. It's nice. It's nice to have an audience there, and not too much pressure and all that kind of stuff, and trying a couple of new ones. Do you think any of the gang from the Finns page there would enjoy the stream there? Let them know, and I'll let them know the next time anyway. I just can't announce it when we're doing the Finn stuff because I never know if I'm going to be able to do it. But it's still going, Paddy. Still fucking going. But I'm stopping now. That was my last one. Thanks very much, guys, and nice medley. You can do anything. Tell Me Ma is the is a Temple Bar medley song. You can put anything into it, really. Thanks for the music. No Bother Paul, Julie Arthur. Thanks very much for tuning in there. Catherine, I better go through everyone now, I suppose. Kelly, and Kevin there, Maria, and Katie, and who else here is on it? Who did I see? Is it Paul already? Christina. Did I miss anyone here on it? I don't. Renata. I got him. I got you on. And I'm not too sure about Twitch. I'm gonna definitely miss someone on Twitch. So the whole gang there is on it there, and all the new people who joined in as well. Guys, thanks very much. Thanks for all the requests, and sorry for murdering a couple of the songs, but sure, there's only a bit of crack. Cool, good stuff, Paddy. Looking forward to replay it. Nice one. Okay, we'll enjoy the replay, and I'll see you on Saturday for the stream with Bowie and the Finns, and I pop your old requests in there, and I guess